Okay, so I've got the new water pump kit here. Got a new impeller. Within that comes, okay, the gaskets come with it, and these come with it. So you got your hardware, and this is a universal kit really that fits outboards as well as fits stern drives. So it's got O-rings in it. It's the same kit I use for virtually all of these. The big difference is the bolts and the top cover, the way they go on, it's a little different, and I'll show you that. All right, so we got the key. Put a little grease on here, hold that key in place. We'll put the gaskets on first. There is a specific way that these go because this only fits one way. So you have to figure out, does this plate line up with the holes? And it does. If I flip it over, it doesn't. It looks the same, but it's not. So I have lined everything up here. So everything here is ready to go. So I'm going to put this on here. And these holes are all lined up, ready to go. Gaskets are all lined up. Make sure that looks good. Yep. Okay, everything's good that way. So now what I'm going to do is I put a little grease inside the cup here. I've done that. Put a little grease on the keyway. Put the key on, that sticks it on there. Then we'll take the new impeller. Put the new impeller on there. Alright, that looks good, that's on there. And I'm going to put the cover on and push that down. And then turn it clockwise and push down. And then I can move everything back into position the way it should be. So finish it up. There we go. And you can slide it up just a little bit to line everything up. Now I'm going to put my bolts in. The first two I've already put Tef gel on. I'm using that instead of grease now. I've heard great things about that. And these have that little plastic spacer that goes inside the housing of the pump to center the bolt and center the housing, and there's a washer on top of it. So these are specific for this particular application. And then we'll put a little more Tef gel on this bolt. Wrap them up so they got Tef gel on them. This stuff works wonders. Really prevents corrosion. Acts as a great lubricant. There we go. And the bolts are 60 inch-pounds for the torque spec. So that's the stuff I'm using now is Ultra Tef gel. So I'm going to get my torque wrench and torque these down. I'm also going to put this slinger on top of it. There we go. And then push that down till it seats with that plastic cover, and that keeps debris out of there. So using a Mercury kit, it's the same impeller kit, same gaskets, just these bolts are different. And then that is going to be the, we'll spin down our bolts. Everything looks good, nice and centered. So I'm going to 25 first. goes 60. There we go. Okay, and that's it. Brand new water pump installed, ready to go. New gear lube, all that. Alright, so this water pump's been installed, gear lube's changed, pressure tested. This outboard's ready to go back in service. I'm going to put it back on. The rest of the water pump kit tube goes on here to line it up with the upper tube, and then put some grease on these splines and the shift splines and put it back on. So we're done. So if you liked the video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.